Tonight on Ghost Host Kitchen, we are going to make a super simple, keto-friendly, stuffed Philly cheesesteak peppers. Now I'm going to spare you the sight of me butchering these peppers, but first of all we're going to clean them, seed them, and then bake them at 325 for 30 minutes. While those peppers are baking, we're going to cook our stuffing. Now I'm using some stir-fry meat here. You can use sirloin or whatever steak strikes your fancy. I find this was very convenient though. To that steak we're going to add about 1/8 cup of dried minced onions, or about 1/4 cup of fresh onions, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning as well. We're going to cook that up till that meat is done. Then we're going to add a small can of mushrooms. That's about 4 ounces of canned mushrooms. Let's cook those up, get them good and hot. So this is going to be the stuffing to our peppers. Alright, now here you see the peppers have come out of the oven. They look pretty good. I'm going to take 2 of them away for use for a future project that you may see coming soon, to which I'm going to then add a slice of provolone cheese to. Then we're going to stuff those peppers with the filling. Make sure they're nice and full. While I'm doing this, I'm going to invite you to subscribe to Ghost Host Kitchen. Be sure to catch our future videos, hit that notify and like button so that you never miss out. Alright, now we've got those peppers stuffed. Get the last of that stuffing in there. And then we're going to top them with another slice of provolone cheese, and into the oven they go for 1 to 2 minutes under a high broil. And there you have it, stuffed Philly cheesesteak peppers. Enjoy.